Hello everyone, and welcome to another Sigma Academy video. Today we're going to talk about how to add or delete components from your estimate. So the main headings in your estimate are added when you first set up the work breakdown structure. We described this in the previous video regarding that. However, at this stage the estimate's usually far from complete. Most of us will need to create many more components at various levels before it's done. So this session will demonstrate how to add more components to an existing structure. Let's begin by opening up the Lenny's Diner start file that's provided on our Sigma Academy website. The title is Lenny's Diner, Add Delete Components, Start. As always, we're greeted with our Sigma front page. We'll move over here to the Contents tab. Notice we already have a structure that's started. Lenny's Diner is the project title, and under there we have general requirements, earthwork, and concrete. So in this exercise we're going to build on those. Adding a component to under an existing heading is easy. All you have to do is simply click on the desired heading in the tree structure, and all the subcomponents under that heading appear in the Contents spreadsheet. So there's the Contents tab, and notice that we already have a project manager under our general requirements. Well, the PM needs a place to settle in for the day and someone to bark orders to. So let's give him a job site trailer and a superintendent. Let's also put in a laborer and a truck. So we'll type in job site trailer and a category of equipment. Month is the unit. And we'll say, since 12 weeks is our quantity for the project manager, we'll say 3 months here. At a unit cost of $500 a month. Just continue to press tab all the way through till you get to the next line, or you can just simply click on the next line. Next we'll add a superintendent. Category will be labor, unit is week, and we'll keep them at the same as the project manager at a slightly less rate of pay. Next is general laborer. Again with the categories and the weeks, same quantity, and our laborer will make $800 a month. And last we'll give the laborer a truck. Notice how all of these smart fields pop up as you enter something into the category or the unit. These can be completely customized to fit your needs, but that's a topic for another guide. We'll go back to month here. 3 months and $400 for the truck. So now your estimate should look something like this. So now that we've established the fact that it's super easy to add components under headings, what if you need to add another component to the structure under the main heading, Lenny's Diner? Well, it's the exact same process as what we just went through. Let's say you just received an addendum. Thanks, Mr. Architect. Sorry, that's the estimator coming out in me. Let's say you just received an addendum that adds some masonry work to Lenny's, and you need to add that division under the main structure. We'll just simply click on the project title, and now we're back in our Contents tab, and I'll just simply add another division, masonry. Notice that it also adds that division to our tree structure. Well, now that we have the adding a component down pat, let's spend a quick moment on how to delete one. Quick is the key word here. To remove an entire component with all the associated info, all you have to do is right click on it and then click delete. So let's go back to our general requirements, and I'll just simply right click on truck and get rid of it here, or I can do the same thing from my work breakdown structure here. It works the same way. So we'll delete the truck. These guys can walk. They need the exercise anyway. And that's all there is to it. In future sessions, we'll go into more detail about going into more detail in terms of adding separate labor, material, equipment, and other components under a main component or a heading. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next session.